The most valuable skill in engineering has nothing to do with code. And I ignored it for years because nobody told me it ever counted. I used to have great technical ideas that went nowhere. I would see the right solution before anyone else on the team, propose it in a meeting, and watch it get ignored. Then, 2 weeks later, some consultant would say basically the same thing in different words, and suddenly everyone was on board. I thought the problem was politics. I thought the problem was favoritism. But after this happened enough times, I had to accept an uncomfortable truth. The problem was me. I had the answers, but I couldn't make anyone else see what I saw. My ideas were dying in translation. Here's what I finally understood. In engineering, having the right answer is not enough. You also have to make the right answer feel obvious to people who don't think like you. That's communication. And it's not a soft skill you develop later. It's the skill that determines whether your technical ability actually creates impact or just stays inside your head. Think about it. Every decision in an organization gets made by people. People who have limited time, limited context, and 10 other priorities competing for their attention. If you can't make your idea land in 60 seconds of clear, simple language, it doesn't matter how correct you are. Someone who's less correct but more clear will win that decision every single time. That's not a flaw in the system. That's how every system works. Ideas don't win because they are right. They win because they are understood. And understanding is created by the person communicating, not the person listening. And that's your job. Nobody else is going to translate your thinking for you. Once I accepted that, I stopped blaming other people for not getting it and started asking myself why I was making it so hard for them to get it. That single shift changed everything about how my work was received. So here's what I'd tell my younger self. When you have a good idea that nobody listened to or felt like your technical thinking is not landing the way it should, here's what to do. Number 1, before you propose any technical solution, explain the problem first in a one sentence that a non-engineer would care about. Because people can't evaluate your solution until they feel the pain of the problem, and framing the problem in business or human terms gives them a reason to keep listening instead of tuning out. Number 2, remove every piece of jargon from your explanation and replace it with an analogy or concrete example. Because jargon makes you feel precise but makes your audience feel excluded. And the moment someone feels lost in your explanation, they stop trusting your conclusion even if it's correct. Number 3, after you explain something, ask, does that make sense? And actually listen to the answer. Because most engineers talk until they have said everything they know instead of stopping when the other person hasn't understood enough. And learning to read when someone's with you versus when you've lost them is the fastest way to become someone that people want to listen to. Your ideas are probably better than you think. The reason they are not landing is not that people don't respect you, it's because you have not made it easy enough for them to follow you. Make it easy. Your career will move faster than you expect once people can finally see what you see. If you want me to go deeper on communication for engineers, drop communicate in the comments. Save this for the next time you're about to propose an idea in a meeting. and follow if you want career advice that nobody in engineering school thought to teach you. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one soon.